How to customize your WordPress sidebar and widgets. Want to make your WordPress website more engaging and useful for your visitor? Let's talk about sidebars and the widgets. They are those dynamic sections often on the side of your content that can display all sorts of helpful things. Ready to get started? First thing, head over to your WordPress dashboard, and this is how the WordPress dashboard look like. And if you are new to WordPress, simply go to www.wordpress.com, create your account and log into your account, and after login you will be directed to this type of interface, which is dashboard or my home section. Let's get back to the topic. Now go to my appearance, which is over here. Tap on it. Under appearance, you can see an option for the widgets, which is the fourth option. Tap on the widgets. So this is how the widgets look like. Now to add a widget, simply tap on add, which is over here. That will open up a widgets, things like the search bar, recent post categories, images, and many more. So it's trying to add a widget. To get a widget, simply tap on widget that you want and drag it to the sidebar, which is over here. Let's drag this one for now. Copy and drag it over here. Once you have added a widget, you can often customize it. From here, you can edit it. Click on this little arrow to open the setting. From here, you can highlight, incline image, and do many more with it. And also edit it from here. Go ahead and try adding a widget and play with its setting. And if you want to remove the widget, tap on these three dots over here and tap on delete, which is over here. And that's it. Customizing your sidebar with the widgets is a fantastic way to add functionality and personality to your WordPress site. Experiment with different widgets and layout to see what works best for you and your audience. And that's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.